Have your notary bag with you.
Because me and Kim were
time.
Remember, me and you were together one time. Me, you, and Jeffrey actually, and you had left your notary bag in the other car, and I had my notary bag. She's like, "Well, come on, we bringing your notary bag."
Okay.
Somebody got to have a notary bag. And we was at dinner, actually. We was at a Mexican restaurant. And I was like, girl, you got your bag?
I'm like, it's right.
So we going to go get that money. Okay, we going to go get the paper. What they say, the paper, the bag, whatever you want to call it, we going to get it. So that's what full-time notaries do, though. That's what full-time notaries do. It's full-time over here. All of us are full-time.
Even if my daughter picked me up, if my friend picked me up, I have one friend, she picks me up. She be like, "You got your notary bag?" Because she know if something happens, even usually it's like on the way when we're almost finished something, like I got a call. She like, "Give me the address." So she's been on calls with me. She's like, "You got your notary bag?" I don't care whose car I'm going in. If it's not mine, I'm getting my notary bag.
That is so true. I never leave home without it. Very rarely. If I don't have mine, Jeffrey got his. We keep a bag. Angela got hers. Okay. Right. But we get these last couple, guys, and we're gonna head out of here. Queen says, on your site, which is the best product to purchase and join for fresh beginners? If you're just starting out, I'm gonna recommend a Notary Success Program. And that's if you want the coaching. Either if you don't, you could just purchase it for the videos. I've had people doing that. They're like, well, I don't really want the coaching, but I want to watch the videos. That's fine. It's still $39.99, but you're not going to really benefit yourself doing that. I had a couple people felt guilty. It was like, man, I bought it for $39.99, but I don't really want the coaching. That's fine. You can still watch the videos. You don't, that's more than fine. But the really benefit is going to be the coaching piece of it. Right. So I recommend starting with the Coaching Success Business to get started. And then eventually we're going to graduate you to our other mentor program for more established notaries. Okay.
So we got to cover training after you take the notary training.
Yeah. And you got the live training too. Angela's doing a live training for this month. Alexis has some live training going on too. So you have options. Okay. So just kind of play around with the website. Again, the descriptions are very clear as to what you need. Okay. If it's still just not clear, you can do a contact us, but they really are. Tap in says, I'm new here. Just got my notary today. Got ordered my embosser and stamp. Just find your videos. Thanks for the information. It is our pleasure. Welcome to the industry. Okay. Wherever we can fit in on your journey, it'd be our pleasure. Martin says, will you guys ever do a video or podcast about being a notary in a small market? I'll let Angela handle that because she's the queen of doing some marketing. And then we'll get ready to start wrapping this up. Okay.
What I recommend for you, Martin, in a small market in Savannah is, and Alexis kind of alluded to it earlier when she was talking about marketing, is that you really have to go out and put yourself or present yourself in front of businesses. Sometimes people don't realize that businesses will need notaries. So you go to your businesses, you go to your UPS stores, you go to all of those places. And wherever you are, when I'm at the gas station, I'm talking to the person next to me. And the reason for me starting a conversation is because before I leave, I'm going to give them my business cards. I gave the business card to a lady in the parking lot in FedEx. It was weeks later. She said, oh, I bet you at the parking lot and you gave me your business card. I need a notary. So everywhere you go, Martin, businesses, you can go to, attorneys' offices to see if they need offsite notaries, but businesses need notaries. You have Subways. Just because they run a business, that does not mean that they're not going to need a notary in the future. So I would recommend that you go and just placing yourself in front of people in Savannah. And I went to T-Mobile recently, and the girl said, oh, somebody was just in here asking for a notary the other day. So people need notaries. So just make yourself visible in front of people. And they, just like that situation, may say, oh, I need a notary. The person may say, oh, I have a notary for you. So just market yourself throughout not just your neighborhood, but your area.
And Savannah is not a small market. I cannot imagine it being small. I think you might need to first know what you're doing. I'm going to just throw that out there because I find that sometimes we cannot even market effectively or do the other things that we need to do because we really don't have a good foundation. And that's not just necessarily you because we haven't even spoken yet. But when I hear that kind of verbiage, those kind of words that let me know, hey, you may not be fully even ready to be out there marketing anything.
Yeah, because we do that in our training, our notary training. When you take the training, and also when you go to the coaching part of it, then you talk to Kim or give your ideas, and you continue to work on that aspect of your business.
Okay. Last couple, we'll get out of here. Lawrence, Alexis and Lawrence talking about not the sleepy sound.
Take off the sleepy sound.
Fortuna said, what's in your notary bag? So we got several videos about that. We just did a deep dive into the notary bag in the coaching program too, just the other day, because it's really important. But just a couple things we'll give you is those basic supplies we already mentioned, your notary journal, ink pens, blue and black, your notary stamps, extra acknowledgments, and I do have several videos here on the channel too that you can go back and check out. Okay. Enjoyed you ladies. Thank you, Notary Down South. Lauren says I keep a stamp at home plus a bag and plus one in a bag in my car just in case. Yeah. And I got two. I got three stamps too.
2 stamps.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up. But as always, on behalf of Notary Educators, Notary Life with Kimmi, it's been our pleasure. We'll see you in one of the mentorship programs or somewhere in the notary space, okay? Until next time, much success.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Have a good week.